Good morning, Red Arrow, and happy Tuesday. Let's see what's cooking in the kitchen for lunch today.
For lunch on Tuesday, October 25th, we are having
barbecue rib sandwiches, summer squash,
sweet potatoes, tots, and bananas. Enjoy some milk.
And we have one birthday to announce today. Happy birthday to Dulce Arizpe. Enjoy your birthday, Dulce, and come on down to the office for your birthday pencil.
Just a very few announcements. I want to give a shout out to the kindergarten team for last night's reading night, and thank you to those of you who were able to come from the kindergarten and youngers group. I had a good time, had some pizza and some good activities. I saw some cookies being iced. That's always fun when you get to eat a little bit at a family reading night. And let's see. So great job. Sorry, not enough coffee yet. Great job to everybody who were part of the who was part of the night last night. Mrs. Cortez is out sick today, and Mrs. Stainbrook will be helping us. The leadership team, we're meeting tonight after school in the library. It will be a shortened meeting, hoping to be done by 4 o'clock, if at all possible. And then the reason why is we have pension meetings tonight also for those of you who signed up to go to the pension meetings at the ISD. And yes, I am going to a pension meeting. So, because I am 9 years and 2 months away from getting that information. Not that I'm counting. Let's see. I think those are all of the announcements. Mrs. Babb is back today. Mrs. Z is back today. Mrs. Hall's back in the computer lab. So I think we're in good shape today. I do want to make sure I mention before I switch over to Would You Rather. Outside, playground. I need everyone to listen up. The 3 bars, we have a low bar, a middle bar, and a high bar that everyone likes to play on. Those bars, we're making a new rule. We have a lot of kids get hurt, and so because people are getting too crowded. So there can only be 3 kids total on those 3 bars. So it's not 3 on each bar. That's 3 altogether, so 1 per bar. That way we have enough room and no one's getting bumped off and we don't have as many people getting hurt, because that's not a good thing. So thank you for your help, and all the paras will make sure they're watching for that. I know we've got some para helpers, so if you would help us too on the playground to make sure that that we only have 3 people on those bars. The other thing is just another reminder, I've still got a few kids who are going outside to play first in the morning and then they're choosing to eat breakfast, so they're wasting a lot of learning time. That is not okay. And so I have started telling people, when I see them sitting out there and I know that they got here early this morning and they were playing and then they ate breakfast, so they're losing out on some time in class with learning, that they only have 2 minutes, and I use my timer because they've got to get to class. So make sure when you come in, you eat breakfast, then you play. It's really important that you're part of learning time. You cannot skip out on learning time. That's why we're here, and that's what's important. So thank you everyone for helping with that. Now, let's go ahead and check out today's Would You Rather.
And now for Would You Rather, Radically Repulsive with Rebecca.
Would you rather be able to talk to any animal or be able to change into any animal?
That one is a tough choice for me. I'm thinking I would choose to be an animal whenever I wanted any animal, because then I could like fly or swim. And I suppose if I were one of those animals, then I could talk to the other animals that are like me, right? So that would be my answer, because I think it'd be cool to be other animals sometimes. Before I say stand, I want to do one more reminder too. The temperature is getting colder. I just finished doing our bus duty this morning, and there was frost on the grass. That's why it was all white this morning. And so that means the temperatures are getting colder and colder. So please make sure you're bringing a sweater or a jacket or a coat every day. I saw lots of gloves today. That's a great idea, because as it gets colder, we're still going outside to play. And so you need to make sure you're bringing warm clothes, because it's almost getting to be late fall, and before long, that white stuff will fall from the sky. Ugh. Anyway, at this time, would you please stand for the pledge?
And now from Mrs. Spangler's class to help us with the pledge, we have
Crystal. Riley.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Pledge Helpers. That was a great job. And everyone have a great day, learners.